Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade sugar cookies from scratch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the egg and vanilla extract until they are fully incorporated. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined to form a soft dough. Once your dough is ready, wrap it in plastic and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This step is crucial for perfect cookies. With your dough chilled, it's time to roll and cut. Lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. This ensures your cookies bake evenly. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes, then carefully transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Keep a close eye on them to prevent overbaking. Once your delicious sugar cookies are out of the oven, let them cool completely on a wire rack before you start decorating. For a simple glaze, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar with 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk until smooth. You can add food coloring for extra fun. Get creative with sprinkles, icing, or edible glitter to make them truly special. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treats. They're perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.